everybody, welcome back. My name is Bray and I'm with Bray Crochet. Today I am going to show you how to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. I am going to use a worsted weight yarn in 3 different colors so that we can see the difference of each stitch when we get to the end. And I'm also going to be using a 5mm hook to keep the stitch size a little more conformed or unified. So let's get started. I have 10 chains on a hook, and to do the single crochet, we're going to count over 2. The chain on the hook does not count, so we go 1, 2. We insert our hook into that chain, and then we yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. Again, let's do that. So we insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. We have 2 loops on the hook, and we yarn over and pull through both. Let's do that one more time. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, pull through both. And now I am going to continue down all the way until we get to the end for this piece so that we have a visual of what the single crochets look like in a work piece or project. So let's do that. And there we go. There we go. And those are our single crochets. And I am going to lay that out right there. The next one we are going to do is half double crochets. And I'm going to do that actually in a pink yarn. It is the same weight of yarn. It's just a different color. And again, we're going to use a 5mm hook to give a little bit of consistency. So on a half double crochet, we're going to count 2 chains from the hook. As again, the chain on the hook does not count. So 1, 2. In a half double crochet, you yarn over, then insert your hook into the space, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook. You pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Again, we will do that one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. I'm going to do that one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now I'm going to finish this until we get to the end to see how much of an increase in size we have on the difference between a single crochet and half double crochet. Let's do this. Okay, and there we are at the end. So there is our half double crochet. So again, this one I'm going to do with a purple yarn. We're going to do double crochets. So let me insert my hook in the end. So this is almost like the half double crochet, but we are going to have one difference. So we yarn over. Well, hold on. We count 2 from the hook. The one on the hook, the loop on the hook does not count as a chain. So 1, 2 chains down. We yarn over, insert into that hook, that loop, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. So we yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So let's do that again. We yarn over, insert our hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that one more time. Yarn over, insert our hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I will meet you at the end of this chain. Now, depending on your project and the pattern is whether it calls for a single, half double, or double crochet. Hopefully this has been an informative video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below. And I want to thank all of you for coming by, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!